So on today's screen sharing, I'm going to show you how to pull reports for donations and how to filter the different donations that you would like to have a report on. So first, we are going to click reports here. If you don't see it on your toolbar, select more, you may find it here, or you can click over here and type in the search bar reports and find it here. So you click on reports here, and what we're going to do is select a new report. We will be creating a report on opportunities, which is donations. You'll just want to select opportunities. Now, first, what we want to do is look at our columns, and you'll want to exit out of any columns here that are not helpful or you do not need, and you will add columns that you do need. So for this example, you can use these suggestions, or based on your org, add or take away different columns. Okay, so I want to add primary contact because that will give me the first name of the donor. I want to add the fair market value so I know how much my in-kind donations are estimated for. And then the last, I want to add method of payment so I know where the donation is coming from. You can drag these to organize which way you want your columns to be. All right, so another thing we're going to do here is we're going to group the rows. So two things you want to differentiate is the type of donation. Is it a donation or is it an in-kind donation? So monetary or good. So the way that we do that is we type opportunity record type, which you can see here will take your donations and your in-kind donations and separate them. One thing you'll want to do here is under amount, summarize, and do sum. So you will be able to see the total here for both donations and in-kind. Okay, so next we're going to filter. So right here, you'll want to make sure you're in all opportunities. So right here, you'll want to filter the close date, and you can customize the time frame you want to search for new donations. So whoever entered the last new donations, you'll ask them for the date range that they entered the new donations, or maybe you can select the date range based on when you last ran your last report. For this example, we're going to do all time. Opportunity status, you want to make sure is closed won. So this is all donations that have been given, you have received. Make sure you hit apply. Probability is going to be all. So the next thing here we're going to do is, so if you hit run here, this is going to give you I didn't hit apply here. So if you hit apply here and hit run, you will see total donations to date because I have all time, and you will see the donations as well as the in-kind down here. You can see the subtotals and then the total. So we want to see, so we're going to click filters here, and we want to see the different donations based on the general accounting unit. So the way that you do that is you select down here, you're going to add a cross filter. So you will have to do a cross filter separately for each general accounting unit. And the way that you do that is select opportunities with, and then we're going to look at general accounting allocations, hit apply here. And then this is where you're going to filter the general accounting unit, and you're going to hit equals, and the name has to be spelled exactly the way that your general accounting units are listed here in Salesforce. So community outreach is one of the general accounting units. You're going to hit apply here, and you're going to hit run. And these are all of the donations that have been given to community outreach here. So right now there's only donations here, and you can save this. You can name it here, new opportunities. Opportunities, general accounting unit, and then community outreach. You can select a folder here. You can also create a new folder here. Click save. And we see here, this is, if you go back to your reports, opportunities, general accounting unit, community outreach. You'll click select here. So that way, every time, and if you want to, you don't have to go through creating a report every single time to find out the community outreach. So to change the time frame, you'll just select edit. And you'll go to filters, and you will do customize and select the new date range you are looking for. And that will change it for you. And then always remember to select run here. And this will update your new report here. You will have to create a separate report, so for each general accounting unit. So you'll go back and do the same thing here, opportunities, continue, add your different columns here. Again, you're going to want to add the primary contact. You're also going to want to add the method of payment and the fair market value. This is where, again, you'll do the close date, the range, all opportunities. You'll want to do here closed one, apply, and then right here, this is where you're going to add the cross filter. And from the cross filter, opportunities with general accounting allocations, apply. And you'll do the general allocation unit, not name. You'll want to make sure it's the general accounting unit. Equals, and then the next one, general donation. Hit apply. For this example, let me do all time. And you can see here, let me do sum, not average. Run here. And you can see the total amount given for the general donation, general accounting unit. Remember, again, it's the same exact way here. So don't forget to group over here on your outline the opportunity record type. So you can see your donations and in-kind donations. And then you'll just hit save it, run, and then again, you would save this as the opportunities, GAU, general donations. That way, you can always then go to your reports and select your different general accounting unit donations and pull the reports for for that time period. You can also save as, or you can export it as well. So formatted, it'll go into an Excel version. So that's also really nice. You can add it to your dashboard. And so yes, this is how you pull reports for your different donations.